Everybody take a good look. This is what you get when you live in New England. A snowstorm like this. Here's my car, what you can see of it. Look at that. Can't even see the friggin' thing. And here's my wife's car. Look at this. This is bullshit. God damn. Like 15 inches of snow out here. Holy crud.
Make a snowman.
What?
You can't make a snowman.
No, it's too fluffy.
It's too dry.
Too fluffy. Look how high this wall of snow is right here. Holy
Hey, let me
shit.
step. Can I step in it?
Yeah, step in the snow. It's gonna take us about 2 hours to shovel out that. You can't even. How deep I? Oh my God, no. Yeah, I'm gonna jump in it. Yeah, hold it. No, you can't even get out of there. I'm gonna jump in it. Look at that parking lot. It's all the way up to the fence. Look how high. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Cold? Alright, yeah, hold that. Just hold it, it's already recorded. Just let me see. My Jason ski mask. You like it? There it is. At least my face is warm. Alright, here we go. Stand back. Ready? Man, this shit is deep! I can't even get the hell out of this.
Let's stay there now.
I don't know. This shit sucks.
Can we move to Florida?
Yeah, one's customs in California.
We're coming to see you.
Lucky bastard. Holy shit. Alright, show the car. Let me see.
God damn it.
Let me see that. Look at the camera's getting all wet. Here's my car, one more time. Jump in the snow. No, don't. You do it.
Not good. Do it.
Why not?
I'll take a picture for the news.
Fuck the news. It's so high, the snow. It goes all the way up to the fence. Damn, man. Look at this. You can't even open the car door. The whole car's friggin' buried, man.
My sunglasses.
Alright, next video. It's going to be about 2 hours from now. It's going to take me to make another video of my cars all unshoveled. It's going to take me at least 2 hours for this shit. So, alright. If you want to be smart, live in Florida or California. If you want to be a dumbass, move to the East Coast, New England. And this is what you deal with. Merry friggin' Christmas. You throw that at me, I'm gonna stick it up your ass. Alright, I'll be back. Can't even see your face. Say hi, Ones Customs.
Hey, Ones. Have fun swimming.
Alright, look at that wall. Holy dog shit. Yeah, one thing before I go. Yeah.
No.
Hey, get the fuck out of here. Alright, I'll be back.